Many of you have requested a video about French pedicures. I'll show you 2 methods to achieve the best French look. After preparing the nails, let's move on to method number 1. Quick tip: always use toe separators to avoid smudging. First, we apply a layer of base coat to the entire nail and sprinkle the nail with the color latte. Now, let's take some base coat on the brush again and use the tip of the brush to draw a thin line. We sprinkle the whole thing with the color Snow White. For the second method, let's grab some masking tape and carefully tape off the nail edge. Then we apply the base coat. Don't worry if some gets onto the tape. Again, we start by sprinkling the nail with the color latte. We remove excess powder with a clean brush and then gently peel the masking tape off the sides of the nail. We fill the resulting gap at the nail edge with base coat and sprinkle it with the color Snow White. If the edges on the sides protrude a bit, we can gently press them against the nail with a wooden stick. The further steps are the same for both methods. Now we apply a first layer of activator. Then we file the edges and smooth the surface. Afterwards, we apply a second layer of activator and seal the result with 2 layers of top coat after 2 minutes. Lastly, don't forget the care. Apply a bit of nail oil and gently massage it in. Which method do you prefer? Thanks for watching and have fun trying it out!